Well, it was important for Fleming to develop a veterinary technician program because over the last several years there's been a huge increase in the number of pet owners and of course pets.
The students are going to have such an immersive learning experience by actually getting hands-on experience with the animals here at the Peterborough Humane Society.
Getting hands-on experience is critical for students that are in the veterinary technician program.
We're going to help shape the role of veterinary technicians for the future, not only here in Peterborough, but regionally and provincially.
By getting to immerse themselves in everything that comes through our doors. Spay-neuter services, wellness clinic hours, as well as a specialized medicine. So we're able to offer the students an experience with all of those.
It's a great opportunity for increased skill set, but also a great catapult into their profession.
This program will help make animal healthcare more accessible and help make the lives of pets and their owners even better.